Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Maya.
And I'm Megan.
And today we are so thrilled to be unboxing our new fall collection, Bohemian Bouquet.
Yes, I'm so excited about this collection. Don't forget to like this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and then make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of our other uploads.
Now, let's get to unboxing.
Here we have 6 new earth tone dip powder shades and matching nail lacquers.
Surround yourself in muted florals and embrace your inner romantic with our impeccably curated fall collection.
Willow is a warm chestnut brown with just a hint of gold shimmer.
Tara is a beautiful burnt orange with a cream finish. I personally love to pair the shade with D49 Maryland or D503 Sunset.
Lana is a desert orange base filled with flecks of copper glitter. If you love to reflect, you're going to love this shade as well. Lana deserves to be in a multicolored mani. We love to pair it with D347 Posh and then of course D358 Nala. Now Brook is a dark gray base with silver and blue shimmer. I really love this one, and Brook pairs perfectly as an overlay with D383 Ori.
Now Bryn is a beige base with champagne, silver, and orange glitter. A pro tip is to pair this shade with a nude like D574 Gretchen, or go with an extra fun nude like D430 Afterglow that glows to purple. Now Laurel is a stone gray with muted teal undertones. You can pair her with D468 Metal for a fun chrome alternative, or D516 Infinite for a glitter addition.
And of course with each dip powder you have the option of a matching nail lacquer, which is perfect for when you want a matching mani-pedi.
So everyone, this was our Bohemian Bouquet fall collection, and we cannot wait to see which shades you pair these with.
Very excited. For this giveaway, we will be giving one of you this collection. So in order to enter, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and then of course head to the comment section and let us know what your favorite color is from this collection and what you're most excited to pair it with.
That's a great giveaway.
Yeah, I'm very excited. So guys, don't miss it.
All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye guys.